It's 2025. The cost of living is exploding. Rent's through the roof. Groceries drain your paycheck. And yet, the rich keep getting richer. They're not working harder than you. They're not smarter than you. They just know one thing you don't: how to invest. And here's the brutal truth. If you're not investing right now, you're getting left behind. While you're saving dollars in a bank earning 0.5% interest, the wealthy are making money in their sleep, thanks to compound growth, dividend stocks, and AI-fueled investments. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step beginner's guide to investing in 2025, even if you're broke, clueless, or scared to start. Watch this till the end, because every minute you delay is money lost. Part 1. Why you must start now. Let's get this straight. You can't afford to wait. Inflation in Canada and the US is still eating away at your savings. Every dollar sitting in your account is worth less every single day. The average millionaire started investing at 25. The average non-investor starts at 45. You do the math. Every year you delay costs you tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands, over your lifetime. Still think you're too broke to invest? Let me show you how $100 a month could turn into over $200,000 with compound growth. If you just start today. That's how the rich win. They don't wait for the right time. They just start. Part 2. The 3 ways people build wealth. There are only 3 paths to real wealth. 1. Entrepreneurship. Risky, high reward. 2. Real estate. Great but needs big capital. 3. Investing in the markets. Accessible to everyone. And in 2025, investing is smarter and simpler than ever. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need $10,000. All you need is a strategy, consistency, and the right tools. And I'm giving it all to you, right here. Part 3. Understand these 4 core concepts. Before we touch a dollar, you need to understand 4 core ideas. 1. Compound interest, the most powerful force in investing. 2. Risk versus reward. Every investment carries risk. Learn how to control it. 3. Diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket. 4. Time in the market. Timing the market. Consistency beats perfection. These are not just words. These are wealth-building commandments. Part 4. Step-by-step investing blueprint. Let's get tactical. Here's your 5-step beginner's plan to start investing today. Step 1. Open a tax-sheltered account. TFSA or RRSP 401k. This is where you hide your money from taxes legally. In Canada, TFSA is your goldmine. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Wealthsimple, Questrade, Fidelity, Vanguard. Go with low fees and ease of use. Step 3. Start with ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs are baskets of stocks. Low risk, high diversification. Examples: SPI, S&P 500, VQT, Global Growth ETF, XIC, Canadian Index. Step 4. Automate contributions. Set and forget. 50-month is better than nothing. Step 5. Reinvest dividends and stay consistent. Don't touch it. Let it grow. Every dip is a discount. Part 5. Avoid these common beginner mistakes. Most beginners fail because of one of these. They panic sell during a dip. They follow TikTok gurus instead of learning the basics. They invest in hype, not value. They expect instant returns. Investing is a long-term game. If you treat it like gambling, you'll lose. Treat it like building a money machine, one that never stops paying you. Part 6. Where to learn more. Want to go deeper. Here's where I recommend you learn more, for free. Books: The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel. Channels: Financial Mo Graham, Stefan Andre, Geek Tools and Apps, Wealth Simple, Yahoo Finance. Morningstar. Don't waste time scrolling memes when you could be building a financial empire. If this video lit a fire under you, don't just hit like. Take action right now. Open your first investment account. Start with your first $50. Subscribe to Financial Mo because I'm going to walk with you step by step until you build serious wealth. Don't be the person who looks back in 5 years and says, "I wish I started." Be the person who started today. This is your moment. This is your move. And this is how wealth begins.